Introducing the Carvera by Makera, a tool that'll transform the way you work. The Carvera is the world's first desktop CNC machine with fully automatic tool changing and wireless probing as standard. Experience unparalleled precision and simplicity with auto probing and leveling, reducing the margin for error and ensuring optimal results hands-free. Now you can machine precision metal parts and professional-grade PCBs right from your desktop. Accelerate in-house prototyping and bring your ideas to life faster than ever.